Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious butterscotch pie with a meringue topping. Let's get started. This recipe will make 2 pies, so feel free to cut it in half. For this, we're going to need 6 eggs with the yolks and whites divided, 2 9-inch pie rounds. You can use store-bought, but I'm going to use the cream cheese pie crust from this channel, 4 cups of whole milk, 2 cups of brown sugar, a half cup of sugar, a half cup of butter, a quarter cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract divided, and a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar. I'll start by preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I'll fill my crust with pie weights and bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. While our crust is baking, we'll separate our egg whites from our yolks. Because we're using our whites for a meringue, we'll be using a 3-bowl separation method, and we'll clean out our separating bowl if we accidentally break any yolks. And whisk our 4 cups of milk and quarter cup of flour into our egg yolks while setting our whites aside. Once we've formed our custard base, we'll melt a half cup of butter on the stovetop over medium heat and stir in our 2 cups of brown sugar until dissolved. Then we'll slowly add in our custard base, a quarter cup at a time, to ensure our egg yolks don't curdle while stirring constantly, until it's thickened enough to coat the back of a wooden spoon. About 20 minutes. Our custard and pie crust should finish at about the same time, so we'll remove our pie crust from the oven. As our custard finishes, we'll stir in 1 teaspoon of our vanilla extract and pour our filling into our pie crust. Then we'll increase the temperature of our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and make our meringue. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'm going to be using a stand mixer. We'll whisk together our egg whites, quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar, half cup sugar, and remaining teaspoon of vanilla on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. About 4 minutes. Then we'll spread this over our pie and seal the edges using a spatula and bake it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. We'll allow our pie to cool completely before serving. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.